What's good, Canna fam? Welcome back to Weep Hop Gardening here. Today I got an update for you on that Grow Peaceful bucket. The Sour Black Cherry Haze has been getting it. Super happy with the outcome here. Wanted to keep you guys updated on that. So just found out that this weekend, starting Friday here to Monday, Grow Peaceful's also got a sale going on for the holidays here. And wanted to express that to you guys. So if y'all are interested, head on over to see the Grow Peaceful team. I'll drop a link in the description down there. Obviously you can use code WEPOP, save yourself 10%, but they've also got a holiday sale going on for St. Patrick's Day weekend here. Any orders $80 or more, they're giving you 18% off. So go get yourself set up there. I wanted to say thank you to all you new subs. I appreciate y'all so much for being here. I'm the type that wants to connect with other vets and stuff, but I also want to give back to the Canna community, because without y'all, this would not be possible. And I greatly appreciate y'all. So stay tuned, fam. We're gonna get some things worked out with the sponsors, in talks with them now. I'm trying to do a giveaway to get back to y'all. And I'm trying to get some cool stuff to progress out to you guys, because again, I love y'all and I'm super happy y'all are here with us. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get set up here and we'll get into this. What's good, fam? We are back over here in the 3x3 iPower. We got that Misfit 240 light LED pushing to this Grow Peaceful bucket over here. Just wanted y'all to see what was going on. Sour Black Cherry Haze, we just watered the pH down to 6.8. Keeping it a little higher on this run, and she seems to be doing way better, fam. Got a little bit there at the tips. That's all over the plant. I don't know. I think we finally got enough available newts for it, so that's a good thing. We just watered, so there's gonna be a little bit of moisture down there in the pan, which y'all can see. But yeah, these buds are stacking up nice, y'all. Getting thick. We just rolling into the mid to end week of week 3 here. So she's doing fantastic. Super impressed with it. Plant's healthy overall, and can't wait to get some more of these speedrun seeds. So wanted to follow up on that. I'm gonna be a little bit ahead on my normal medication, so I'm gonna run a couple of these in the 4x4 over there, because I want to see like what these babies can do. As y'all can tell, we're pretty close to the light in here, and I topped it to keep it low, and don't have a lot of control over here in this 3x3 because I don't even have a fan set up to this, so I just manage it as like a room grow, basically. Something you throw in your closet and set up and just let it ride. But she's starting to get there. The light, I didn't want to like increase it too much, but I just turned it up in the last couple days here because obviously I'm trying to get more light down here to these lower nugs, so they can build up. But she's doing fantastic, fam. Grow Peaceful got it together now. Soil's great, so I definitely recommend them. If you want an easy run on the auto, this is the way to go. Again, we're going to drop a link in the description, so you're welcome to head over there if it's something y'all are interested in. Past that, we are all set here. I'm gonna check out. I just wanted to give you guys a short little brief update, and welcome all you new subs and start getting the word out about a giveaway here, because we hit 1K, y'all. Super stoked. Thank you guys so much again. Appreciate each and every one of you. It's been a few days. We are over here in that iPower 3x3, and man, this Sour Black Cherry Haze is stacking up, y'all. Good fat little nugs. Plant's super green and healthy. We got all this coming in. They are getting there. We're just getting into week 4 here. So as y'all can tell, man, she's getting it. It's that Sour Black Cherry Haze from over there at the Grow Peaceful team. But man, I wish I could get y'all to see like the size of these. These are stacking up great. I'm super stoked on this run to see the outcome. Everything's holding up great. We've been watering at a pH level of 6.7 to 6.9. Keeping it higher this run. That way it stays up there for the feed. As y'all can see, there's plenty there. We got a little tip burn here, and it's happening on a few of the leaves, which is a good indicator there's enough ferts in there to make it through this run, which is awesome. So yeah, fam, stay tuned on it. She's starting to get set up here, and bud structure's filling in great, frosting out. She's looking delicious. Maybe some little fatty colas on here. They're really starting to stack up now. This one back here, she's getting it. A little thick. I'm not looking for anything massive off this cola wise. I just wanted to see what this thing could do on a 3x3 with like minimal. This is minimal, y'all. Training. I didn't do nothing but topped it, as y'all can see down there in the middle. I just topped it out, and it's been good. I'm gonna go ahead and get set up with them over there. Got a few coming. Excited to put those in the 4x4, so we got a much more controlled environment, more space for it to spread out, and see what we can get out of these. These speed run seeds are pretty awesome. But just wanted to let you guys get the update on it. Stay tuned, and we will definitely get this thing to the end here. Can't wait to see the full outcome. I don't know if any of y'all are interested. I'm gonna drop a card up here for you guys to go check it out if you are. I did a sprout to harvest video kind of in the beginning. It was like a full growth video. It's about, I don't know, half hour, 20 minutes or so of full growth on the last run that I did with that Blue Bourbon Smash. Turned out pretty good. If y'all are interested in that, go check that out. But definitely wanted you guys to get in here and see how this was going this week. Starting to get some color pop coming through on them buds. I'm stoked, y'all. So I'm gonna drop a link in the description. Like I said, y'all hit that sale this weekend. That's pretty awesome of them to do. Again, use WePop if y'all are looking to get yourself some, and on orders $80 or more, they will get you they'll take 18% off for you, fam. So go get y'all hooked up. Appreciate y'all as always, and we will catch y'all on the next one next week here. Till then, y'all enjoy your weekend, and hope y'all are doing well and staying safe. Peace.